Alright, hey guys, welcome back to AnonymousSushi. So, now once we have all our ingredients prepared, I'm going to show you guys right away how to make a cucumber roll, a hosomaki, alright? So, a hosomaki is a traditional roll. It's actually, I have made one right here just so you guys can see. Okay, so it's one filling on the inside, which is where the term hoso comes from, and it means a single thing, and that's a hosomaki in Japanese, okay? So, generally, it's always seaweed on the outside and rice on the inside. And for this one, I actually really like to use a bamboo mat for this because it helps a lot, to be honest. Alright, so guys, I'm going to show you guys right away how to make this. We're going to be needing cucumbers. I actually just cut them into thick little blocks. And then some seaweed and then rice. Alright guys, so this roll is going to be a little different because we're not going to actually cover the whole sheet of nori for this. I'm going to use a very little bit of rice, and I'm actually just going to leave about 1/4 of the seaweed, 1/3 of the seaweed empty on the top. Okay, so the reason that we're going to do this is it's going to kind of work like a glue, and the roll is actually going to close itself. Okay. So once I have that, I'm going to take my filling now actually, and I'll just place it right in the center. But as you guys can see, the end actually over here, I left a little bit empty. It's gonna kind of, the rice is going to close and it's gonna overlap, okay? And it's gonna close itself. Alright guys, so once I have that, okay, I'm gonna take the bottom, I'm gonna start, roll all the way around, and I'm gonna now pinch, kind of tighten my roll. As you guys can see, the seaweed kind of closed with the rice. And then once it's tightened, I'm just gonna open that and then roll it over this. Okay? So once I have that, as you guys can see, it's like a nice little square roll. Okay, so okay, when you cut this, you want your knife to be a little bit wet. And I'm gonna cut this one into 6 pieces just so you guys can see. Alright guys, so there you have a nice cucumber roll, as you guys can see. Yeah guys, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video, and yeah, thank you so much guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below, like, and subscribe, and share this video or share this channel to anybody you guys know, and support the sushi. Thank you so much guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.